Citron. In today's video, guess what I made? I made a piggy bank play button. Lamborghini. Oh, good morning, Zay. Come on, wake up, Zay. He's already awake, but so yeah, I got this play button that's so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna get. I gotta eat. But I got this. It's like a piggy bank, because if you punch one of the sides, something opens. Like one of them, it opens. And I made it out of foil. Just go type in Don Ha. I got this from my friends that lived in my neighborhood. It's in Don Ha. It's a really old channel, but so yeah. So if you punch this side or this side, it'll open. I think it's this side, since I can't feel like hard stuff. And by the way, look, it's a button. So I made something with a button. Yeah, a button. I don't know how it, like, it's like a very big thingy, but I'm just showing you this thing. Let's try bottle flipping it. No! Alright, I'm just gonna try bottle flipping it. Let me put it in a camera like always. How could this happen to me? And then oh! No. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, no, what? Oh, I'm making. Just subscribe to my channel. You can see like something right here that's brown. The button was brown, so, and this thing right here is the button. Then I added like cardboard right here, and then like, yeah. I'm just kidding about all that button things. I actually made it out of a waffle box. And then like this part is construction paper. Yeah, I'm just kidding. And this is foil. You guys probably know that. But make sure to subscribe to this channel. Like this if you're new, and subscribe if you're new. Put that bell on and do all that stuff to make me famous. And then I'll shout out you, whoever subscribes to me. Peace.